Hi, my name is Ahmed Ramadan, a student at TTC in Riyadh. Our topic today is safety on workshops. Safety on welding workshop. Auto darkening welding helmet must be in good condition, no cracks, and must be clean and comfortable. Don't wear jewelry in the workshops like watch or rings. Don't put a lighter in your bucket. Always wear welding apron while working. Gloves must be in good condition. Must be clean, no oil, no holes. Before starting the welding, all area used for welding operation must be well ventilated. You must use ventilation all the time. Compression type fittings must be used in all hose connection. Don't use simply cap compression. You must use crimped compression. Safety in handling welding cylinders. Square protective caps in all cylinders not in use, wherever empty or filled. Also, remove all cylinders regulators not in use. Square cylinders in upright position while moving, without gloves. Use a cylinder trolley when moving cylinders. Be careful when you move the gas cylinders. Make sure the cylinder is installed by the chains all the time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.